Hi my dear children. Good evening. How are you children? Are you fine? Okay. Welcome to today's class. We have seen what natural numbers and whole numbers are. Whole numbers are the set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and 0. Now, what are integers? Integers are along with the whole numbers. To the set of integers includes negative numbers like -1, -2, -3. In this 1, 2, 3 are counting numbers and we have 0. Children, now the question is why negative integers? Children, let's learn some examples of negative integers. Before going that, first we know what is positive and what is negative. What is positive and what is negative. Positive is usually used good, that is something you want or something you desire. For example, if you like ice cream, children, when you eat ice cream, how do you feel, children? Yes, you feel so happy. Happy means feel so good. Good is positive. In the same way, negative is used to describe that is something bad. Bad means, for example, crying. If you crying, how do you feel, children? Yes, you feel so bad. Bad means negative. Now, let's know some examples of positive and negative numbers. Children, mostly you like piggy bank to save money. If you put 5 rupees into piggy bank, how much you have, children? Yes, 5 rupees. You have 5 rupees. This is written as plus 5. You have gained 5 rupees. If you take 5 rupees from piggy bank, how much money you have, children? Yes, nothing. You lost 5 rupees. That is written as minus 5. This is the negative number. Let's take another example. Children, if you have a friend, you gave 100 rupees to your friend returns only 50 rupees to you. How much money you lost, children? Yes, you lost 50 rupees. That is written as minus 50. Children, do you have any note for this amount? Minus 50 rupees? No, we have any note in the market. So, this is shown as minus sign minus 50. In this, minus is tells us we are in loss. Children, let's see another example. See this picture, children. What is this? This is a Celsius scale. This is used to measure temperature. Children, see this picture. It's a hot, sunny day. What is the temperature here? Here the temperature is 40 degrees. Children, see this picture. Wow, it's raining. The weather has become so cool. The temperature has come down to 15 degrees centigrade. Children, see this picture. How do you see how this is winter season. Children, what would be the temperature now? How would the scale show it? 0 degree centigrade is the freezing point of water. Since We have snow everywhere. The temperature is below 0 degrees centigrade. This is shown as a negative number with a negative sign like minus 10 degree centigrade. Now let's see another example. Children, look at this picture. What is this? This is the dam flowing with water. Children, have you noticed water scale in dam water? Yes, this is water scale. It shows the reading for the water level in the dam at any given time. Water is decreasing in the dam and water level is going below 0. Children, what would be the water level below 0? Water level below 0 is shown by negative numbers starting from -1, -2, -3. Children, let's take another example. This is sea. In this is sea level, and here we have one balloon above the sea level and water driver under water level. Sea level is marked as 0 and balloon is above the sea level. This is marked as plus 500 meters and underwater driver is below the sea level. This is marked as minus 1100 meters. Numbers less than 0 with a minus sign attached to the number are called negative numbers.